Hello and welcome to our Thursday, which is starting in a completely normal way, wearing bonnets in the wilderness at Disney World. We decided to make butter because we're pioneer women for this trip. And then we're gonna head and do some very non-pioneer women things later, but let's get started with this. Heather thinks she's from Little House on the Prairie, and I think I'm from the future. So we're a good pair. And that's it. It's done?
That's done. That's butter. Do you want to hold it?
No.
Do you want to try it?
Yes, I'll eat it.
Okay, well, we need something to put the butter on.
Okay, so we put the blob on the plate. Blob of butter. Can't see it. And we have a baguette, so now we can eat it. It does look like butter.
Yes.
Just FYI. Look, delish.
We did it.
Mm-hmm. Okay, ready? Cheers.
Done.
So usually we drive to the parks, but today we are going to take Daisy Transportation because we plan to have drinks at the World Showcase and don't want to have to drive a car home afterwards. So we are headed to the bus station now. Let's go. See? Parking lot for golf carts right by the bus station, and then we catch the bus here. So we mobile ordered at Sunshine Seasons, and back here is the main seating, and there's a lot of people. They have marked off tables so you can't sit like super close together, but the ones that are available are pretty full. But one thing that is so different about Sunshine Seasons is that they used to have so many great menu options, and now it is mobile order only and only a few options. So we got chicken, I got the chicken and rice, and she got a hamburger. So, you know, it'll be fine, but it's just previously they had a lot more options, and so we just have to make do with what they have now. So we are going to have lunch and then we'll make our way through the park. Hello from the UK Pavilion, which is not one of the places that we got drinks today, but that is where we're sitting because that was what was available. So after my last update, we went to Japan and we got frozen Kirin. I'm hoping I'm saying that right, Kirin, which is delicious. And we sat in the beautiful Japan Pavilion and drank that. And then we went to the France Pavilion where they have a couple of favorites. One of them is the is that the Grand Marnier Orange? Grand Marnier Orange. The other one that is available there is the Grey Goose Lemon. We didn't get that one, but it's a good one. And they serve them in cute little plastic martini glasses. And then finally, we ended up in Canada where they have a La Fine du Monde, which is very highly rated by the beer rate scale. And it is right before you go through the arches that go into the gardens of the Canada Pavilion. They have a little kiosk. It's very like nondescript, but they have maple popcorn there, and they have this beer, which is super highly rated. It's not very expensive, so all good options. We kind of had to take turns because you don't want to drink too much, especially out in the hot weather. But anyway, Epcot is surprisingly getting ready to close. They have a 7 p.m. closure. So we are going to exit the International Gateway and get back to Fort Wilderness. So we were planning to catch a lift from the beach club, but they have beaches and cream ice cream windows, so who can resist? So anybody can just walk right up and order it. You don't have to have a reservation. It is much busier than it was the last couple times we were here because Storm Along Bay, a very popular pool, is open. It was closed because of the NBA. But we have said this before, but if you haven't heard it, I want to reiterate that there's a menu posted up there, but you can ask for a separate menu that has more options. And I actually ordered both of our things are not even on that menu. So just ask for whatever you want or ask for their menu and they will be able to help you. So now we're just going to sit out here and enjoy it before we head back to Fort Wilderness. I cannot walk to the beach club lobby without mentioning how good it smells. I just want to sit here and smell it, even through the mask. You can smell it. The car was 4 minutes away, so we gotta go outside and meet it. So we did leave the beach club, caught a lift there. That's our favorite way to leave Epcot, is to go in the main entrance and then leave through the International Gateway and catch a lift back. It just cuts down the steps a lot, and you don't have to compete with all the people that are leaving at the end of the day at the front of the park. We came back to our camper and editing podcasts and stuff like that tonight, and we went live in the Facebook group and things that are not really great for video content, but that we were busy. So that is going to end tonight. Bye.